Hi you guys, it's Stacy with Plymouth Public Library. I am going to be walking you through a quick DIY for January. This one is inspired by our Winter Exploration Reading Program. And the theme this year is Summer or Plymouth. It is a takeoff of the game Cliffhanger on Price is Right. So if you don't know, you should come in the library and check it out. We've got a lot of fun little gifts that we're going to give away, and we're doing it completely different this year. So as I was saying, this is inspired by Cliffhanger, so we're going to make Cliff bars. And since it's January, it's super healthy. So like I said, it's simple ingredients, and we're going to get started right now. Okay, so here we've got our 3 ingredients for the peanut butter Cliff bars that we're going to be making today. Super simple, super easy. 1 cup of medjool dates, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of quick oats. And I just realized that we've got the peanut butter where the oats should be and the oats should be where the quick oats should be. But that's okay. So these are your ingredients, and in case you don't know what medjool dates are, here they are. These are just something that we pick up at the local store. And here we go. So what you see in the background there is the parchment paper that we will lay the finished blended up product. All right, let's get to blending. There'll be no talking during the blending because it will be loud. Okay, so here we go, you guys. It's going to be loud. So I'm going to put the cup of dates in first, and we are going to pulse those up. We're not going to puree them, we're just going to pulse them up real quick. And I've already pitted them and tore them into pieces, so now I'm just throwing them into the Ninja, which is the same thing as a food processor. Helps if I line it up correctly. Awesome. Here we go. I'm just going to wipe the stickies off of my fingers. Like I said, I'm just going to pulse it. And this is just a totally simple, it looks difficult, but it's not. They are sticky, so be aware that there is going to be a stick factor. Looks like a big gooey ball, but it is not pureed. So now we're going to go ahead and add the peanut butter, which I already have that measured out. That is 1/2 cup. I'm just going to use a spatula and scoop that out right into the blender with the blended up. Don't leave the spatula in there. That'd be really bad. Oof. Okay, now that's blended up, we're going to add the oats. And that's just going to be sprinkled in there just like so. Take that spatula and you're just going to scrape the sides down. It is stinky, you guys, so just go with it. Dun, dun, dun. Now, you want this to be sticky. You don't want it to be loose. You don't want it to be crumbly. You want it to be able to stick together, you know, because it is a snack protein bar, so to speak. Whoa. Whoa. All right. Just do this one more time, then we'll take it out. We'll put it on the parchment paper and fold them into little bars. bags are nice to have just because they're a quick way to wipe the sticky stuff off of your hands. And we're just gonna tear off that parchment paper, lay it down, take the, be careful with your blades because you can easily cut yourself. I've done it, I know, I'm Klutz 101, that's the class I should be teaching you. Dun, dun, dun. So we'll just scrape this all down and turn it into little balls. Okay, so I've scraped the sides down and I have the mixture. It's a little bit dry, so I'm going to add just a little bit more peanut butter. We don't want it crumbly to where it falls apart. We want it to stick together, so it needs to be just a little bit more damp. Now, if you don't want to do this in your blender, you can always put this into a bowl and stir it up. I think it's just easier if you do it this way. It's less dishes also. Okay, now we got that all mixed up. We're going to take this out and we're just going to take and roll them into little kind of like balls. And then we'll just flatten them out into little bars. And they'll just be little tiny snack bars that you can come back and eat later. If you want, you can individually wrap these in plastic wrap, saran wrap, whatever you want to call it. Or you can put them in a airproof, what do you call it, like a Tupperware container. It really doesn't matter. But that's it, you guys. You're just going to take the rest of this and you're going to fold them into little bars or smash them into little bars, whatever you want. If you guys need more information on this, we will have the link down below along with the recipe and the ingredients. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please come back. We'll be right here on Plymouth Public Library's, sorry, I got that all messed up, Plymouth Public Library's YouTube page, and we'll be broadcasting this on our Facebook page. Also, please remember to like and subscribe and come back and see us. Thanks so much, you guys.